Welcome back to Anxious Minds. My name's Eddie and I'm the founder of the Mental Health Lottery. So today we're at the community kitchen where we're going to talk to Hannah, who is one of the team leaders of the project. So it's all about feeding the community and providing a safe space that's warm, inviting and is affordable for people in the community to come and use. We've just recently received some funding from the National Lottery, and we'll be reducing and making it even cheaper for people to use the community kitchen. So this is Anna.
Hello.
She's the head chef, and I'm going to ask her a couple of questions about what the community kitchen means to you.
Yeah.
So what do you think about when you come to the community kitchen? What's it mean to you as a person?
I like to come to work to provide healthy, good meals for people who are struggling, people who come for a warm, people who come for a chat. We have a community table for people who come in by themselves or are lonely, and that fills up quite a lot. So you can sit down and then you just start chatting with other people, which is nice to see.
Yeah. Have you had a lot of people engaged within the community kitchen?
Yeah, a lot of people rely on here. A lot of people will get home help that come and get takeaways for the elderly that can't get out, which is nice to see. So yeah.
Yeah, because it's so difficult now for a lot of pensioners now that the heating fund has been reduced and taken away from them. It's community projects like this kitchen that's going to help a lot of older people throughout the winter.
Sorry, we'll have people that come in the morning and sit here till close, and then they have the breakfast or they have a lunch, but they have a cup of teas and they sit to get warmth because they can't afford to sit in their own homes.
So it's more than just a kitchen, isn't it? It's more than just food. It's actually building a community again that's supporting each other, so that people know that we're not alone. There's more than you going through this, and together we can do it. So it's about giving that constant support for each other.
Yeah.
We've also got big ambitions about the other part of the centre, which we're going to have a look at now, and I'm going to talk through that with the audience so they've got a better understanding of what we're trying to achieve with our lottery. And why it's so important to support the mental health lottery, because it's more than just counselling. It's about community mental health. It's about us working together to make it better for all.
Yeah, we might be the only people that somebody comes in and speaks for that week. So that's, they come here with the problems and stuff, and if we could help them, we will. There was one lady who didn't know how to contact the dental hospital, so I rang the dental hospital for her because her child was struggling. There's people who came in, they didn't have a fridge freezer, but I knew somebody that was getting one, and I went and delivered it the very next day. So it's not just in here we're helping, it's outside as well. So it's clothing, the shoes and coats I've bought and that I've given away to people. So yeah.
Yeah, no, and thank you so much for the work that you do, Anna. You do a great job. You and Tracy, I can see Tracy's busy at the back there chopping up vegetables.
Yes.
You do a great job and you support the community in more ways than you can imagine.
Yeah.
So thank you for that.
Thank you.
So we're now going to have a look at the other hall, which is linked to the kitchen, which we're hoping to transform into a community space for all. So we're going to have a look at that now. We're now in the Mem Hall. This is the main location for people that are coming into the centre. The aim of the Mental Health Lottery is to provide funding so we can convert this space into a nice soft area for the community to use. And once the community are in here accessing both the kitchen and the safe space that will remain warm throughout the year, it will also be able to access some of the support services we offer, such as mental health access, community mental health support, crisis intervention, and also support with food poverty. So the project's more than just a kitchen. It's an ongoing support programme for people in need. So playing the Mental Health Lottery will do more than just provide hot food. It'll provide this safe space where people at crisis point can come in and get support. So it's not just food that we're trying to provide. The food and the community space is just a start of a much bigger project. And by playing the Mental Health Lottery, you can help us achieve this. Play today. Thank you very much, and thanks for your time and support.